Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to create an Instagram group. Instagram Direct Message Group is a group of Instagram users that consists of at least 2 people. It allows users to engage with each other through text and visual messages. Follow these steps and you will know how to create your own Instagram group. Go to your Instagram Home tab and hit the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once the messages inbox will open, click on the new message icon. Choose 2 or more people you want to have a conversation with. And tap chat. Don't forget to name your created group by typing it in the window at the top of your screen. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create Instagram group. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.